Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences.
Decide means to make a final choice or a judgment about something. Decide is a verb. Here's a sentence with the word decide. The company decided to reduce the number of employees on the project. They made a final choice to reduce the number of employees. Here's another sentence. He still needs to decide on which university he wants to attend. Decision is the noun form of the word decide. The decision was made to cut costs to improve profitability. Not everyone was happy with the decision. Decisive is the adjective form. His decisive personality was a plus for the company. This person had the ability to decide quickly and easily, which made him valuable to the company. The new manager played a decisive role in the decision-making process. Now here we've used both the word decisive and the word decision in one sentence. Another noun form is the word decisiveness. The manager's decisiveness was seen as a strength for the company. And here's another one. The company president showed decisiveness in administering his policies concerning the employees. Decisiveness shows that somebody has the ability to decide things. Decidedly is the adverb form. The newest plan is decidedly different from the original. The plan was definitely or obviously different from the original. The comment was decidedly not politically correct. And again, here the comment was definitely not politically correct. So the word decidedly can be used to emphasize something in your sentence. The word decided is the past form of the verb decide, but it can also be used as an adjective. It was a decided victory for the new manager. Or, as in this sentence, they had a decided advantage over the competition. Decide, decision, decisive, decisiveness, decidedly, decided. All of these are different ways that we can use the word decide. Try using some of these words to help improve your writing. Happy writing!
I hope you learned some good ways to use this word. Keep learning new vocabulary words to help you to improve your writing. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching Writing Better.